Oh, wait up. Explosive. Cold War area. Our captain is good. He knows how to correctly position himself when battle arises. Not yet. The planes are just a distraction. They are not able to hurt the ship in what's called fatal. Our ship is advancing against the enemy's ship. At the flying boat. Skyboat. What the how? Well. Not that. What's this? Good job, crewmates. Your work was not for nothing. You're useless. Well, can we kindly ask the other team to stop bombing us? What is your captain doing? Just good a moment ago and now is everything miss. You started good, but now they are on top of us. We're getting violated. What the? What? How the? What the? What? What's our captain so shit?